Welcome to Chennai Egmore Railway Station. The station has a total number of 11 platforms with an extended platform 11A, 1 overbridge pass and 3 footover bridges. It has 2 main entries. The main entrance has an enquiry, ticket counters and current reservation counters at the entrance of the station and a ticket counter at the back entrance. The metro station is near the back entrance of the station. Passenger amenities which are present at the station are Divyang parking areas, retiring room, railway police force, women facilitation center, waiting rooms, first aid and medical, parcel office, Divyang water booths, Divyang toilet, luggage and cloakroom. Lifts are available at platform number 1 and platform 11A. Foot overbridge 1 is starting at main entry. All platforms have stairs to foot overbridge. Escalators are present at the entry on both sides of the station and at platforms 3 to 11. Ramps are present at the back entrance and at platform 8 to 11A. Foot overbridge 2 connects platforms 4 to 8. It has stairs at each platform. Foot overbridge 3 is starting at main entry of the station. It has stairs at each platform from 1 to 11A. Escalators are at platform number 10 and 11 and lift at platform number 11A. Overbridge pass is also starting outside the station and has stairs and ramps at both ends of the station and connected to foot overbridge 3 at platform 11A. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate people using wheelchairs to board the train. Platform numbers in braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas in association with Samarthanam Trust.